And nobody likes to be in debt, and nobody likes to be sued for not having paid said debt. Yet every year it happens to millions of people in the U.S. Well, there is now a new tool to help take the stress out of the situation for both sides. First, explain to us kind of what this tool is and why it was even created, because it's not that old, right?
Correct. It's created about 5 years ago.
Yeah.
SoloSettle is a consumer-initiated settlement platform that allows a consumer that is behind on their bills to contact their collector, law firm, creditor to try to amicably settle it without ever talking on the phone with them. Once they get into the application, they have a couple questions that need to be answered, so we could gather that information to provide to the collector. And then we give them the option to make a settlement offer. So we're empowering them to make the first shot and make an offer to settle that case. All done digitally, no phone tag, no emotions, no long conversations. Just get things done very simply.
And I do think it's important to mention the emotions and what happens, because typically one of the biggest, I guess, struggles or challenges is the person trying to call that collector and kind of explain their situation, right?
Right, it is very emotional, and sometimes collection agencies and collection law firms are very busy, so you might have to wait 30 minutes to get somebody to pick up your phone call.
Yeah.
So using SoloSettle is so much more efficient and effective. We really just streamline the process.
So how fast? I mean, how fast can someone settle if they use it?
We have some settlements that happen in 1 day.
Wow.
On average, we're settling in under 10 days. Typical collection agency or law firm could take 4 to 8 to even a year to get a case settled because of how hard it is to contact each other. Phone tag is a pervasive problem. The SoloSettle app makes things so much easier for the whole environment.
Yeah, the whole experience just smoother. All right, and Yale, you've had some new features over the last 5 years. What are some things that just make it smoother? If a client is on there, a customer is on there, and they're filling in all their information, why is it such this kind of seamless process?
Because we're taking out the emotion, and we're taking out the long story, and again, the phone tag, and the waiting on the phone for somebody to pick up the collector to pick up the phone call. Yeah. So it makes it so much easier.
Do you wish you would have had this? I mean, you spent years as an attorney. Would this have helped you in your process?
Oh, it would have helped so much, because the whole trick to debt settlement and getting cases settled is communication. And so many consumers are so afraid or hesitant to pick up the phone and call a lawyer or a collector because they don't know how to do it. They're uncomfortable with the situation. They're talking about their finances and what has happened to them in the past. And it's a very intimidating process for consumers to go through, especially consumers that have never done it before. SoloSettle helps them by taking all that fear and emotion out of the equation and letting them communicate with a collector or law firm on the computer. So most people can do this on their couch watching TV. It's great.